The game's gone, lads. Transfer fees are at an all-time high, and we can all enjoy Twitter's reaction as they continue to rocket ever skyward. But what is each player worth according to a random algorithm? ＳUBCRIBER are here to tell us. Felipe Coutinho's move to Barcelona from Liverpool, yep, it's that man, will cost the Catalan Giants around £140 million, all told, and the thing is most of us barely batted an eyelid over the price. Transfer fees have been on a ridiculous rise in the last couple of years, that when Paul Pogba moved to Manchester United for near £90 million there was uproar, but now that would seem like peanuts since Neymar's world record fee. These two are at fault for all of football. Images. You can't get an average Premier League player for anything less than £20 million these days, unless he decides to back out of his transfer and come back 6 months later, when there's only 6 months left on his deal. So are clubs overpaying for players, and how much is each player really worth? Well, the science bods at the СУБCRIBER have come up with a list of football's most valuable players. Do you agree with those prices? Images. So I'm wondering if you've gone through the top 20 and are now trying to work out who is missing that you'd expect to be on the list. And if you haven't spotted it yet, Cristiano Ronaldo is the man missing. Not only is he not top 20, he's well down the list. According to the list, PSG paid nearly the right amount for Neymar, with the Brazilian worth €213 million rather than the €220 million they actually ended up paying in the summer. Messi is apparently worth less than his former teammate, whilst Harry Kane would fetch nearly €200 million himself should he be sold, and that doesn't seem like a stretch at all. In theory, it means that Spurs could sell Harry Kane, Dele Alli and Christian Eriksen, and in return, could sign Kevin De Bruyne and Paul Pogba, and still have change for Mohamed Salah, Luis Suarez or Eden Hazard. Not a bad swap, I think.